Hi friends, I show the easy way of stitching this mask. So first this is 8 by 14. So what I do is I just stitch this corners. So same way I have stitched both the sides. So then reverse it and then stitch this corner. So now flip this, reverse it, either you can iron the pleats or you can just, if you know, you can just do it. So place this elastic in this corner. So this is 6-inch elastic, 3 mm. And then place the other corner. Same method, repeat the other side too. You can place it to the edge. Friends, the mask is ready.